Simone Veil, born Jacob on July 13th, 1927 in Nice and died on June 30th, 2017 in Paris, is a French magistrate and stateswoman. Born into a Jewish family with origins in Lorraine, she was deported to Auschwitz at the age of 16 during the Holocaust, where she lost her father, brother and mother. Rescued with her sisters, Simone Jacob marries Antoine Veil in 1946. After studying law and political science, she entered the judiciary as a senior civil servant. In 1974, she was appointed Minister of Health by President Valéry Giscard d'Estaing, who tasked her with passing the law decriminalizing the use of voluntary termination of pregnancy, a law that would later be commonly referred to as the Veil Law. She therefore appears as an icon of the fight against women's discrimination in France. Simone Veil enters the Pantheon with her husband on July 1st, 2018. This coin is made of Nordic gold, copper, aluminium, zinc and tin for a weight of 4.1 gram and a diameter of 19.75 millimeters. It is a common coin struck in 2024 and is part of a new series of coins that depict exceptional women as replacements for the sower. Not quite, since the sower appears partly at the bottom right of the portrait. The other two coins in the series are the 20-cent Josephine Baker coin and the 50-cent Marie Curie coin. There is no information on the current mint number of this coin, although we know the BU and BE mint to be 20,000 and 5,000 each. The value of the current coin varies between 10 cents and 50 cents in coin flour quality. The cleaner and shiny the original currency, the more value it will have.
Thank you for visiting History Channel 26. If you like this video, don't hesitate to subscribe, like, and comment for other videos. For beginner collectors, more information in the description below the video.